I think that talking like this is always important. To know that there are other women who feel that way is very important. That's why I was so attracted to Vital Voices. I think that the strength really, I mean, in some circumstances, like, you know, when those kids in Nigeria get kidnapped, I mean, it's overwhelming and it's just, but I have met, through the women of Vital Voices, I have met women who had, I mean, who were born, they were sold when they were 5 and they were raised in brothels and they still managed to survive. And not only they survived themselves, but then they helped others. And that is the extraordinary strength that women have. I have never met a woman who is not strong. That does not exist. But there's sometimes they just are afraid to show their strength. It's a religion, a father, a husband, but sometimes it's just themselves. And then tragedy happens. And miraculously, in front of tragedy, women's strength always comes out. So we are very strong. And if we are suffering from history in the state of victimhood, it is precisely because we are stronger. So we have to use our strength, and we have to use it with intelligence and softness and hardness and all of that. But I think that to do this, I mean, I went to a conference and there was this woman, the Dalits, you know, the Dalits were the untouchable in India. And it's a whole class of women. And they get beaten up. They cannot go to the police to complain because nobody will take it. I mean, they are completely an underclass. But you know what? Now they realize that they are an underclass, but there are 80 million of them. So they are powerful. They are powerful politically. And if they, you know, so we have to make a commitment, and we have to teach our daughters, and we have to tell every woman to take the strength and to believe in their own strength, because it's all in there, you know. And if my mother used to say, I looked at the German in the eyes and they didn't kill me. Well, that was a little maybe simplified, but you cannot be a victim. If we all feel that way, I mean, we're half of the planet, you know, and the truth is that unless women get together, there will be no planet. So that's it.